Adam with Protection Design Concepts. You're in the Loadout Lab, and today we're going to talk about an agency requirement. The requirement was for a Glock 45 Gen 5 with an X300 light. We reached out to our friends at High Speed Gear. They got us in touch with BlackPoint Tactical, which is one of their companies, and we needed 15 holsters in right-handed and 5 in left-handed. So what we went with is the leather wing holster. It has leather wings that contour to your body for their plainclothes officers. It still has the hardened, fast metal clips, and then the KYDEX for that light and weapon system. So it's going to be a good, they tested the holster before they bought them. I'm excited to get this first shipment out to them. Just because the agency paid for it doesn't mean the officer or the agent, the trooper, doesn't get a little bit of swag stuff, right? So they get a 15% off coupon for the website, and they get a follow for all of our socials. Remember, while you're on the website, get your Mission Complete hats, get your One Trick Pony shirts that have the context matters on the back, Protection Design Concepts logo on the left sleeve with a subdued flag on the right. While you're also there, we got a little parody to our friends in the red shirts, right? So the instructors, so instructor on the front, and then put your tactics away with a bunch of red shirts and clipboards. Again, it's a little parody, right? We love to talk about our training friends that have to tell you what to do when they're wearing the red shirts, having a little fun poking it at them, right? So go to the website. All of our holsters are made to order. Reach out to us at adam@protectiondesignconcepts.com. Fill out a customer inquiry at www.protectiondesignconcepts.com and let us get this mission complete.